G'day viewers, and welcome to my very messy shed. I've just wanted to show you a way that I worked out how to quite quickly and accurately cut laminate panel, or laminate panel, whatever you want to call it, this plastic stuff here. What I've done before is actually scored it with a knife and then bent it, and it doesn't break off all that cleanly. You can sort of see from this edge here. But what I've been doing, I've got a a very straight actually piece offcut of plywood here. That was just an offcut from another project, and I'm using this straight edge here for it. This is the piece of laminate that I want to use, and that other piece is the scrap. So I've marked it here and here, the second inside mark there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line up those marks on the edge so that the offcut is on this side, and same with here up the other end. Sorry, not pointing the phone. And then what I did, I got a hot glue gun and I just simply lifted it up and put a little blob of hot glue under there and held it down till it was set, and then another one under this end, held it down till it's set. Then you can just grab your laminate trimmer. It's got that little trimmer bit in there. I can't point at the same time. The round part of the trimmer rides on the straight edge of the plywood, and the cutter doesn't extend very far past the bed plate on the router, so it only cuts through the laminate but not the actual plywood. They're very common type of thing. Everyone uses them for trimming edges off laminate. So yeah, what you do is start from this end, cut all the way through there, cuts quite cleanly, makes a bit of a mess as far as throwing stuff everywhere. But then when you want to release the laminate from the board, you grab yourself some isopropyl alcohol and you just get a little squirt, and then you lift it up and let the isopropyl alcohol sort of wick underneath it, and it just falls straight off. And so then you can take it off and you've got a nice perfectly cut out piece of laminate. So there you go, give it a shot. Okay, so as you can see, I've run the trimmer along this edge here, and it's obviously only going to cut this as straight as what the edge of the board is, because it's just following the board, but in this case this board's quite straight. And then I'll just show you the isopropyl alcohol. Just wet that edge, and then the hot glue that was under here just comes straight off. And I'll do it to the other end. There you go, the hot glue is on the laminate, and just squirt a little bit more on there and just peel it off, and the isopropyl alcohol will evaporate, and then you've got a very straight cut. The rough edge you can see there is actually the clear plastic film that's on this gloss laminate, so I'll take that off later on and it'll be a perfectly straight cut. Alright, catch you later.